Alright, here we go with the start of changing strings. So very good chance you'll have an easier time with either the ascending or the descending. In other words, you might have an easier time with bars 1 and 3. You might have an easier time with bars 2 and 4. So part of this week is going to be about determining which one is easier for you. So remember to make sure that you are clearly hitting the final 16th notes, or the final 16th note before you change strings. Very, very important. It is, I would say, that's the most common mistake with stuff like this, is missing those 16th notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good old 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $20. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. $240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, back to 180 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, number 2. So a reminder of what you can do is just practice counting along with the metronome as its own thing. And then practice just the notes by itself, or by themselves, as its own thing, and then start to combine the two. And of course you can always work on one bar at a time. So this one is set up to make that a lot easier to do, because you always pick the first note in each bar here. So this is a good one to break down one bar at a time if need be. All right, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. number 3. The one we have worked back up to. So as far as splitting this one up, if you work on just the first 2 bars by themselves and then the 3rd and 4th bars by themselves, well, plus that note, I think that's a good thing to break it down as, or a good way to break it down. Because, I mean, you can do 1 bar at a time, but you would need to pick the first note of each bar by doing that, or by doing so. But if you do those bars and those bars by themselves, you know, separate it in half, that's a good thing as well, because the legato phrase is like, you know, going across the bar line. So it seems like a good thing to do. Like that by itself is good. That by itself is good. I hope I'm making sense. Here we go. 60. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and oh god, that was terrible. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 'There we go. Alright, any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.